Eating vegetables every day is important for your health. They provide essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients such as antioxidants and fiber. Hi, my friends. Welcome to your favorite channel, Ngozi Atiti Vlogs. Let's make some vegetable sauce. And here, our vegetable sauce is ready. So in this pot of vegetable sauce, you have your daily fiber, antioxidants, and some of the leaves are medicinal, which is the tazi leaves, which is anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, good for digestive system and all that. Okay, so if you have not subscribed, click that red subscribe button that shows red. Click the red button, click the bell button, choose the option that shows all, and you receive all my notifications anytime I post a video. So this is a stew by the side to go with the vegetable sauce, and of course, the vegetable sauce is universal. You can use it to eat your rice. You can use it to eat your swallow. The soup is also multi-purpose. Just do what you need to do, but make sure you eat well and stay well and stay healthy. Bye-bye.